Hi everyone, welcome back to another DIY with a Jam here. I'm going to plan next week the 11th to the 17th, and I'm taking inspiration from our old-fashioned camera here for our May divider. So I'm going black and white, or maybe black and cream. This is a voiceover, which isn't typical for me, but I'll be doing a couple of those just because life is real. And also, I'm really trying to get like the length of the videos down. So I used the Color Story, I think the second Color Story book, and the Botanicals book, and I think those are the primary books. So here I did the layering, which I love when people do, but I'm going to tell you, full confession, I tried to trim it, but because my sticker on top is white, it showed through that I had trimmed it. So I had to go back and like fit back like a puzzle piece into the corner. And I just thought that was just too much. That was just too much. So, or extra. That's the saying right now. That was just extra. So I cut it out. And then I decided to speed up everything and make it really fast, or as fast as I can with the tools that I have. And then I realized as I was filming, I didn't take the pages out. Yeah. Anyway, life is real. You move on. But I really liked Botanicals. I mean, who doesn't love the flowers in the Botanicals book? They're so pretty and so classic. And even though there's a lot going on, it doesn't look busy because it's transparent. Just, yeah. And then so I was trying to do one page at a time and sort of build from there. But sometimes when people do them, they like finish the floral border. I'm going to try that the next time I do one. We'll see how that goes. So I did black and white here, but then there's this cream and rose gold. And I did rose gold because I felt that like sort of matched the whole sort of sepia tone feel that would go with this sort of theme. I mean, maybe that's extra, but I don't know, it felt right. I felt like silver was not the right vibe. It's a planner, I know it doesn't really matter, but that's where my mind was, so that's what I used. And then I just continued the floral, and I'm going to carry it across. I just really wanted to sort of expedite the viewing because sometimes I move really slowly. This weekend sticker is in that Botanicals book, and isn't it just perfect? Typically my weekend is Thursday, Friday, Saturday. That's just how my work week tends to work out. So a lot of the weekend stickers, like the banners, they're only 2 days wide, so I end up straddling them or doing something kind of weird. But this one was actually a little bit bigger, so it was still straddled, but yeah, it worked. And I trimmed the flower so that I could use it like it's coming off the weekend. Isn't that cute? I liked it. It's a little crowded, it's a little busy, which is more than I do, but you know, I see these floral spreads out there that some of you guys do, and they are stunning, just so pretty. Like, who wouldn't want a planner that looked like that? You just open the page and you feel instantly uplifted. So pretty. Yeah, so thank you, Botanicals book. You made my planner look so pretty. Love it. And then just trying to keep it neutral because I got a lot going on up above. So then instead of doing all black down below, I actually decided to go more neutral because I thought, I don't know, with all these lines on these lined pages, that it might be cleaner. I'm not graphic arts trained or designer trained or any of that, so I should take like a color theory class or something. Probably help me out a little bit. Not just for my planner, but like for other things too, because who doesn't have like hobbies and things you want to do? This is just one outlet. but I try to make it functional but still pretty. So I'm putting there, I was like an anchor at the bottom. So I did the live simply, and the leaf flowers here, they're in the same direction, so you can't use them really to frame. So I tried to do it, but my angle's not exactly perfect. But, you know, life's not perfect, so I left it. So often I peel it up and replace it, peel it up and replace it, but I didn't. I just let it go, which is amazing for me if you guys will have seen any of my other Plan With Me's. So here I have the wellness book, and I believe, actually I'm not sure if it's the new wellness book or the last year wellness book, but they have these icons for things to do, like to track for yourself, or friendly reminders, or however you want to use them. But I use the reading, I use the eat well, or maybe it says read a book, I might say read a book. I use the eat well. I'm going to use the vitamins one underneath the eat well as well. And then the exercise, now I have a leg injury, and so my exercise is limited to either floor exercises or the exercise bike. And when the gym reopens, the pool, but that might be a while because, you know, safety first. Yeah. So, yeah. There's my vitamins. Sorry, I paused there for a second. Want to make sure that I am keeping pace with you guys. And here's the point where I look at what I did, I look at what I've got, I make sure I'm happy with it. Maybe a couple more fillers. Sometimes at this point, I don't know if you guys get this too, but like doubt sets in, or I need just one more thing, but then I'm like, do I want to make it busy? But you know, it's Netflix or Disney Plus or Amazon Time or whatever you do for your entertainment. So I put that down for the evenings, and I'm just using the rose gold hearts to sort of tie in with the rose gold there. Otherwise, that turquoise color, which just sort of matched like the May border thing, might be a little bit off. But there you have it. We're ready for next week. I hope you guys enjoyed my little spiel here. Take care, everybody. Happy planning.